want to show you our garden tour of our house, and we'll just enter in our house right now, and I'll show you the flowers we have. Basically, I want to show you this flower show. It's right on the front of our garden, and now I'm going to turn around. Show you, if you look up on the trees, there's the red flowers. This is called crepe myrtle, very, very common in southern climate, especially in North Carolina. You see those crepe myrtle trees? See with the flowers? There are multiple color of flowers with a crepe myrtle. And these are our roses. Right now there's no roses, but look at the crepe myrtle. Crepe myrtle color, this color next to the house, and then this color, and then there, this is on the side of our home, and you see this is my part of vegetable garden. These are motia flowers. I have motia in the pot because it gets colder. These are all motia pots. These are the vegetables in the pot. This is lemon tree in the pot. This is vegetable garden, small portion, and this is another flowering plant you see. And this is also the flowering plants on the side of the house. And I want to show you my zinnia. These are the zinnia flowers which I grow myself. Are they here? Then we're going to go back of the house, and I want to show you another color of this crepe myrtle, which is you can see from a distance. Like this color. Love this color. And that's the vegetable garden. You see the tomatoes on the side of the vegetable garden, and the rest of the vegetable garden right here. And this is bougainvillea, which is very common in India, Pakistan, Afghanistan. These I grew in my pots right there. So I wanted to show you how this crepe myrtle flowers look. Love these crepe myrtles. This is present in the southern part of the United States. Look at this color which I showed you before. I wanted to show you, and these are also roses. Thank you very much for coming with me for this garden show.